Parliament. We're gonna have to get knee deep into this one. And Kylie Jenner, I love what you've done to your hair, but I'd like to wash it with some Jamaican shampoo.
That's right, Blakey.
Only $25.99 for you. A special for you, Kylie Jenner. Miss Jenner. Let's move into our hot topics today, shall we, Dr. Ross?
Of course. So the first thing in the Bible today, it's gonna be hot, and we just want to start it out by saying, Mr. Green,
ain't nothing but a green thing.
Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby.
You're about to go crazy.
He might run hot.
Exactly. But for this hot topic, we just want to talk about how Megan Fox, she's done it again to you. She's done it again to you, and you obviously haven't been listening to us because your TV's probably broken at home. But Megan Fox has gone out once again to drag you under the curb, saying some things like that her and Machine Gun Kelly aren't soulmates. There's something more.
And looked into his eyes. I knew, because I'm into all of this stuff, I knew right away that he was what I call a twin flame, which is...
What does that mean?
So instead of a soulmate, a twin flame is actually where a soul has like ascended to a high enough level that it can be split into two different bodies at the same time. So we're actually two halves of the same soul, I think.
Wow.
And I said that to him almost immediately.
What?
Because I felt it right away. And so I think it was the second day I asked him to come into my trailer for lunch. And I put him through all of this astrology stuff. I think I asked him 900,000 questions about everything, his whole life. Like I made him recap it in 30 minutes. And then
You had no more than 30 minutes to eat. So
no more than 30 minutes. But I went deep right away.
Wow.
And I knew before I even did his chart, I said to him, he has a Pisces moon. I could tell by his energy and
you
looking
said
at
that
his
to him?
face. And he does, yeah.
They're twin flames, twinkle of the flames, saying some random things so that she can sound intellectual. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
First of all, Dr. Ross, to Dr. Green, if you listen to the Black King, Playboy International, and the Black Book, we will show you how to get the Megan Fox back. We don't want another one of our team members to fall down like the Brad Pitt and the Jennifer Aniston, and as well as every other guy who has fallen before us.
Sad.
That's right.
Let's get on to our next hot topic.
And before we go, Dr. Ross, Mr. Brian Green, don't turn into an O.J. Simpson and put a damper on the Long Necks Parade.
Whoa, hey.
That's right.
On to our next hot topic, we have Kendall Jenner faces a lot of backlash over a distasteful bikini photo.
No!
Apparently, her fans and everyone that saw the photo were saying, why do women act like this and why do women do this?
First of all, Dr. Ross, my question, why aren't they saying this about every other Instagram model?
Well, because Black King Sebastian, my 2 cents has to come into this. It's every single day that she has a wardrobe malfunction. It's every day, and her fans are probably like, just say you did it on purpose. Just be scandalous. Say you did it on purpose.
Most likely, Dr. Ross, as well as the basketball players that have been passed around like a basketball themselves. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So Kanye West, like an owl in the dark, but Kanye West reacts to Camila's VP nomination. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Kanye West, you just got back from vacation, and it looks like you're coming back into the news again. So obviously, Kanye, you're trying to stay in the circuit, you're trying to stay young, and you're trying to do you. But Kanye, that's for you. Send that to Kim for me, will you? Let's move on to our next hot topic.
So an old tweet from Ellen DeGeneres is stirring up a lot of controversy, and she's not too happy about it. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Ellen has given out so much to the community and to everyone else, Dr. Ross. So, obviously, now after she has stopped because of the coronavirus, everyone is ganging up on her, which they should be ganging up on the producers and the owners of the Ellen Show. Because Ellen is not the one who goes around giving out the money to the workers and everyone else. So, with everyone who's saying that Ellen is such a monster and she's doing a hate crime, they need to stop.
The only thing I want to say about the Ellen DeGeneres, I'm sorry, it's going to sound a little harsh because you have a big heart, Ellen, but The time is up. Black King Sebastian and I have already been in the TV stations. We're already everywhere. And Ellen, all I want to say is, when they start up all this drama, you should just say, through the internet, you should say, yeah, I said that, knuckles. What are you going to do about it?
Let Dr. Ross and I take your place, Ellen.
Switch it up on them.
That's right. You can't be kind to everyone. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So, speaking about people being a little bit sad, we have the daughter.
What did you just say?
Miss Lauryn Hill.
Exactly. And Miss Lauryn Hill, the only thing we have to say about you is maybe some things just were not going right with Marley's son. And, you know, that's just how it is, Miss Lauryn. We don't know what happened to you. You got off the fast track, but we just want to say, tell your daughter to sit down. She's talking all this gumbo, saying that you were not a good parent, that you were fighting a lot. Keep her off the internet. What are your thoughts about this Black King Special?
Welcome to the real world.
Exactly. Welcome to the real world.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Biblical. Let's move on to our final hot topic for today.
It seems like everyone's talking gumbo this time, but Michelle Obama actually had something to come out and say. She slams Trump and Kanye West in a speech saying that they're just messing up the White House, rabble-toothed out. What are your thoughts about this Black King Sebastian?
She's not wrong, Dr. Ross. She got 2 for 1, because both of them, as we know, are fools. Trump obviously needs to be kicked out of the White House, no offense. And Kanye West, everyone already knows that you weren't going to make it to second base.
Exactly.
Let alone first base.
He's too busy sniveling because Kim didn't slip the meds in his coffee. Now, let's get straight into
Ask Dr. Ross.
Stop talking about it.
Our first question is from one of our viewers called Jana. She is asking you, Dr. Ross, since you and I went to the Big Apple, New York City, what did we think of New Jersey and the Wendy Williams show?
All I want to say is, this one's a special one. How you doing? And let's get next into our final Ask Dr. Ross.
That's right.
Okay.
And this is our final question for Ask Dr. Ross, but this question is for the king. From Tony, he said, what's your signal again, Black King Sebastian?
That's for you, Kylie, the black signal. Or as I call it, the Black King signal.
The sound of progress.
Good night, Kylie Jenner. Rise and shine.
Rise and shine. Sound like she has some bacon or something on the oven.
That's right, Dr. Ross. We out.